Hey everybody. So today is September 29th and 2018. My name is Carlos. So let's talk about HOLO and Holochain. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I was taking a look at this altcoin and it's ranked 50th, and of course the price is right at 1/10 of a cent. And but the when I was looking at different things, the coin is kind of an afterthought. There's a bigger vision here. There's there's an evolution in technology here, so it's really interesting, and I wanted to make a video about it and see see what you think here. So yeah, right now it's at 1/10 of a cent. If you could throw down $20 and have 20,000 shares. So I think having 20,000 shares of anything is, uh, it's not bad, especially if you believe in this project. Now, from the limited, you know, research that I've done, it's they make a very compelling case for their technology for the future. So let's look into it. Now, what the heck is Holochain? So, basically, the key advantage of Holochain is that every device on the network gets its own secure ledger or Holochain and can function independently while also interacting with all the other devices on the network for a truly decentralized edge computing solution. So it just takes blockchain and it just it it makes blockchain uh, it makes it's like you had Walmart and then Amazon comes in and makes they out Walmarted Walmart. And this is the same thing that Holochain is trying to do. Is they're trying to they got a new evolution in technology. It's more efficient. It's even more decentralized than blockchain, which, if you can believe that, is um, is amazing. And so as we read on, Holochain will enable developers to build decentralized applications for governance, collaboration, organizational tools, social networks, social media, vendor relationship management, platform cooperatives, sharing economy apps, supply chain solutions, community resource management, as well as tokenless mutual credit cryptocurrencies and reputation systems. So, like I said, they're taking the weaknesses of blockchain, which, yes, it can be inefficient. If everybody has a copy of the blockchain, and the transaction times, and so these guys are addressing all that, and they came with there's something better supposedly. So I like to look at the Twitter page, get some sentiment analysis. See, I always go to Twitter, and they got 15,000 followers. Um, they got some recent tweets. They got a few tweets from a day ago, and they got engagement here. People are retweeting, they're liking. So this is a growing movement, and I like how their Twitter page is looking. And then this is also like a comparison, a holochain with Ethereum and blockchain technology, IPFS. And what stands out right here is scaling. So I think that's where they're going with this, is that um, as blockchain grows, the scaling issues are a problem, and Holochain is addressing that. Next, we go to the official website, holochain.org, Think Outside the Blocks. So you get that. And basically, what comes after blockchain? Well, Holochain, which, you know, I don't know. Could it? Ooh, we got a video from co-founder of Netflix. I think that's a pretty good endorsement. Um, so it's very interesting to look at their website. And again, they have some new technology. It's not blockchain. Now we go over to Coingecko and we look at HOLO, and just looking at it as a coin. Again, the market cap rank is 48 over here. Now the all-time high was, let's see, that would be like 1/5 of a cent. So and now it's right now it's 1/10 of a cent. So it's took a 50% dive since its all-time high, and the all-time high was 4 months ago in June. And not some movement, but I don't know. I don't know what to think of that as an investment terms, but again, it's some new technology. I think this is. I mean, the price is just so. The entry point is unbelievable, and for people that believe in it, of course, you don't have to take out a loan or anything. I mean, this is just, you can use your lunch money, save up your lunch money for a week and have, a bunch of shares. So, and then here's a review of Holochain, why Holochain is different. The traditional blockchain works by storing data via cryptographic hashes on a distributed network. Each node on the network maintains a full copy of the blockchain. And that's the thing, is the traditional blockchain technology, everybody has a full copy. And the weaknesses that come with the blockchain methodology, one has been plaguing blockchain developers, is the scalability issues that are created by requiring each node in the network to verify the entire network. So yeah, now that I think about it, this sounds very inefficient. So let's see, does it go into, so it it goes into more explanation, but again, the scalability, that's what they're going for, that this technology is scalable. Let's see, the question is how many transactions per second Holochain can handle needs to be looked at differently on the way we look at scalability on traditional blockchains. The quick answer to the question that scalability is unlimited on Holochain, that's somewhat simplistic. And honestly, the idea of transactions per second don't apply to Holochain due to its inherent nature. Rather than keeping a global consensus of the data on the blockchain, Holochain uses a distributed hash table to keep a record of the essential type and validity of data that each individual node contributes. So it's basically, it's actually more decentralized, and it's the people on the perimeter of the network that are basically again, it's a limited, people have a limit, the agents, they call them agents, and they have a limited copy of the data. So and then their big thing is distributed applications, and that's what they're going for, is that it's a platform to build applications, and the agents will communicate through each other through applications. So as you do more research into it, I think they make a really compelling argument, and it's a technology like that if you believe in, then you can become a developer, you can invest, whatever you decide to do. But I wanted to talk about it. I'm really happy to make this video, and I'm gonna look into this further. I think it's really interesting, and I implore you also to take a look at this technology and see what you think. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.